I think the thing that makes us really unique is that we are patient-centered. For the physical stuff, osteopathy, acupuncture, reflexology, myofascial work as well, postural work, right through to the emotional side with EFT counselling. And very often things are linked. People will come in with a digestive problem and a skin rash, and when you go in and investigate, you'll find that they come from the same source. And if you go back to the source and the real root of treating it, you have a lot more success than trying to put a cream onto the skin.
Absolutely. I mean, quite often the first treatment will be about treating the sore bit to give immediate pain relief. So if it's a mechanical problem from poor posture or sitting over a computer or carrying, lifting, then quite often treatment that involves spinal manipulation, which is the kind of clicking that people are sort of familiar with, which isn't bones cracking, it's gas escaping from the surrounding joints that get stuck. So when you get that joint moving, quite often you get a little pop or a click. And for some patients that can be an immediate sense of relief. People come to me because they've been to the physio, they've been to the sports massage therapist, they've had a relaxation treatment and they're still holding pain and tension in their body, and they've got a chronic condition that hasn't gone anywhere, hasn't had any improvement as a result of all those different modalities, and they're pulling their hair out, gone back to the GP 6 times, GP doesn't know what to do with them, they're on painkillers. And I quite often see people when they're at that state, they're in a state of frustration, tissues have become incredibly congested, they've had the pattern for a long time, so there might be kind of onion layers, if you like, of disease states in the body. What is often missing from some of the other modalities is the connective tissue release work.
Homeopathy is a holistic therapy which treats the whole person, mind, body, spirit, and basically working on the theory that mind and body are very much connected. So your mental health is the most important aspect of your whole health, and if we can treat somebody's mental health and catch them early on, then we're going to prevent all kinds of physical problems from manifesting.
EFT is tapping the meridian lines in the body to release negative emotions. It's something that anybody can do for themselves. It's a self-help technique. So if you're feeling stressed or anxious, you can calm your emotions down, you can keep yourself in a really good place. What I do is explore your subconscious to try and find out where the problems are coming from. Bach flowers are wonderful. They are flower essences, they're 100% safe, and what they do is balance out the energies. So whereas with EFT you're clearing the bad emotions, what you're doing with the Bach flowers is just balancing them out.